about the details. For by him all things were created that are in heaven and that are on earth, visible and invisible, whether thrones or dominions or principalities or powers. All things were created through him and for him. Colossians 1:16. If we look around us, there's such perfect, minute details in all creation, in all its design, from our features of our face, from the flowers, from how the butterfly flies, from how our organs function. What does this mean? God is a creator of details. He knows even the smallest things, and he creates even the simplest things. That means he knows us and knows how to help us in even the simplest things. That is why it's very important to establish faith, believe in God's ability. From what you see is already evidence that he is able, that he is all-knowing, that he can really see the problems that we are encountering, and also see the things that makes us happy, and he will not deny both. Remember that, my dear friends. I want you to, put it in your heart that, understand that everything has a purpose. The text itself says principalities, powers, everything. God allowed that to be there because there is a blessing in each situation, even if it's a difficult situation. Because God sees solutions from the beginning to end, and he knows what will happen, the outcomes. That's what I keep on telling my dear friends. I want you to strengthen your faith each day to God. Believe in God's existence. Believe that he is able, and he hears and sees even the smallest request we have. He will give whatever will make us happy, as long as we will not be harmed by what we like or want. I hope this morning let's reflect on the beautiful design in our creation, and it proves that God is keen to details. He is keen in helping us, providing us happiness even in the smallest things. God bless, my dear friends.